Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So there we have the problem on our screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. We have secant square x by 5 plus 18 cos 2x plus 10 times secant of 5x plus 3 tan of 5x plus 3. Right? Now looks like we've been asked to find the integral of sum of three functions. Therefore, the integral of sum of three functions is nothing but the sum of integral of each of these functions, right? So this is nothing but the sum rule in integral calculus, right? So I'm not going to write that out explicitly. So what we've been given and what we see on our screen is nothing but our dy by dx, and we've been asked to find y, right? And what is our y? My y is nothing but, so there we have our y represented with the integral sign. Now I'm going to write down the rules that we will be applying in this particular problem. First, if integral of f of x dx equals g of x plus c, then integral of f of ax plus b dx equal to 1 by 8 times g of ax plus b plus c, right? So when we notice the particular problem given to us, we see that we've got three functions of this particular type, and all of this can be expressed in the form ax plus b, right? So let's write down the formulas what we are going to use in this particular problem. First, I have a secant square. So I know that what is my integral of secant square. Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. And then I have a cos of 2x, right? So let me write down the integral of cos. My integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Then I have a secant tan, right? So my integral of secant x tan x is nothing but a secant x plus c, right? So this is what I have. Let me highlight the main formula in green. So we're going to be using this formula and apply it to figure out what is the integral, right? So let's go to the next line. I'm going to write my y. Integral of secant square x by 5 dx is what we have first, right? So let me highlight the formula that I have in yellow. So I'm going to be using the formula highlighted in yellow, connect it with what I have with the rule that we saw, which we have highlighted in green, right? So my a in this particular case, so my function is secant square x dx, which means my f of x is secant square x, my g of x is tan x, and my f of ax plus b is nothing but secant square x by 5. And therefore, my final answer to this problem is 1 by 8 times g of ax plus b, where my a is nothing but 1 by 5. So I have a 1 divided by 1 by 5, which is nothing but 5, right? 5 times tan of x by 5, right? 5. My step 1. Then I have cos function 18 cos 2x. I write my 18 as it is. I go to the next formula which I'll be using, integral of cos x dx equal to sine of x plus c. And what is my f of x? My f of x is cos x, my g of x is sine x, and then my integral of f of ax plus b dx is nothing but integral of cos of 2x. And if I equate it to ax plus b, my a equals 2, b equals 0, and which is nothing but equal to 1 by 8 times g of ax plus b plus c, which is my a is 2, which means I write 1 by a as 1 by 2. And then I have my g of ax plus b, which is nothing but a sine of 2x, right? This is my second part. And then I come to my third part. The formula that I'll be using is integral of secant x tan x equal to secant x plus c. I'll highlight that in yellow. And then I have 10. I write my 10 as it is. I equate it to the formula highlighted in green. I know that my f of x is secant x tan x, my g of x is secant x, my f of ax plus b is 5x plus 3, which means I'm sorry, f of 5x plus 3, which means my a equal to 5, my b equal to 3, and my f of ax plus b is nothing but secant of 5x plus 3 tan of 5x plus 3, and therefore integral of f of ax plus b dx is nothing but 1 by a, which is nothing but a 1 by 5, right? I have 1 by 5 times secant of 5x plus 3, and I have a constant to to finalize my answer, right? So now let's go to the next line. We've got a little bit of simplification to do. My y equal to 5 times tan x plus 5 remains as it is. 18 by 2 becomes 9. 9 times sine of 2x, and then I have 10 divided by 5, which is nothing but 2 times secant of 5x plus 3, and then I have a plus c, right? So there we are. Let me highlight my final answer in pink. 5 times tan of x by 5 plus 9 times sine 2x plus 2 times secant of 5x plus 3 plus c, right? I hope you found my content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.